Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and very good day to all. Today I'm going to explain to you a little bit on our technology on fiber break grating sensor system for measurement, especially for the structural health monitoring. There's a lot of benefits. I've mentioned in the previous videos that we have a lot of benefits when we use fiber break grating sensor system for structural health monitoring. One of it is actually the advantage of multiplexing, whereby you can have a lot of sensors in series in one line, connected to one device. If you look at the current system, the conventional system, which is for electrical based sensor system, they use DAQ, a data acquisition, which is, if I can look at here, we have this example of the DAQ from the National Instrument. This is for this is BNC connector. I think we can use for accelerometer. We also can connect with the thermocouple with different. I think if we use another type of connector, for example this one, we also can connect with the strain gauge. And then pressure sensor, okay, which is each point here that connected to the sensors, only we can connect a single sensor, one sensor only. That's a problem with this one, which is, if we have, for this one we have 1, 2, 3, 4 channel, which is 4 sensors. This one also we have 1, 2, 3, 4 channels. Also we can have, but this one have a lot of slot. Maybe we can have more than 4 sensors. But again, it's limited. The numbers of sensors is limited to the port that available here, because usually one sensor is one cable, and then go inside the data go inside the data acquisition. And then for National Instrument, they have capabilities of combining these modules into a big modules, but again, combining all these modules relatively will need a lot of cost. It's quite expensive. Okay, but for the fiber optic sensor system, what we need is only a single line, one cable. I think I can show here. Maybe we have there's a single cable here. This single cable here connected to the system. This we can connect this optical system here and then connect to the computer. Okay. In this single cable, we can connect to the a series of sensors. Practically, it can be about 70 sensors, 40 sensors, around that sensors. Then all this information from the sensors can connect directly to the whole system, and then viewed by the computer. And once it's get into computer, we can do a lot of analysis, post analysis, and then we can make the decision. Right. So that's just thing that special. If I can compare between those technology, but I didn't say that this one is not good. This one also very good in some way. They are very good. In fact, I use this system in my lab for a lot of measurement process. Basically for my PhD, student, my master student, they are using this. For undergraduate student, they also use National Instrument, which is a conventional electrical based sensor. Basically, it's more nowadays it's more reliable. But in the future, I'm going to predict that even most of the technology going to use fiber optic as a base for the signal transfer. So, which is we can have more sensors built in the structure, and then if we have more sensors that built in the structure, it can help us to do more decision. I mean, when we have a lot of information from a lot of sensors, the information that we can compile, we can summarize, is more accurate. We can have a lot of higher level of confidence to the result that we get from the measurement. So that's all that I want to mention today. So thank you very much. See you in the next video. Bye.